Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can convert a PDF file into an editable text file without needing to download or install any piece of software. For this we are going to be using Google Drive, so all you need is to have a Google account. You already have a Google account if you're using Android, or if you're using Gmail, or if you're using YouTube or any other of the Google tools. So we just need to go to drive.google.com, or you can just search on Google for Google Drive. And now we are gonna need to upload the PDF file that we want to convert into Google Drive. And to do that, we have to go to New, and from here select File Upload. We can search on the computer where we have the file. I have it right here, so I'm going to select it and then I'm going to press open. Now this is going to upload the file into Google Drive, and normally this takes just a few seconds. Once the file is selected, once the file is uploaded, you need to select it, right click on it and select Open With, and from here Google Docs. This is now going to take a few seconds depending on how large and complex the file is, and then it's going to open it as an editable Google Docs file. Now you can work with the file here. You can obviously delete any part of the text that you might want. You can do any kind of bolding or indentation. You can add some extra line of text if that's what you want. And you can also just copy paste the text somewhere else if that's what you want. Or if you prefer to edit it using Microsoft Word, you can go to File, Download, Microsoft Word. And this is going to download a Microsoft Word version of the file, which you can then open in Microsoft Word and edit it there. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also check out some of the other videos on the channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day.